Hello guys, mayong adlaw kanatong tanan. For today's video, magpalahi ta. Tutorial ta for a change on how to edit your videos or photos. So, we're gonna use CAPCUT. So, let's go to the app which is CAPCUT. This one, you have to install it, huh? Then, once you press it, so now that's a new project. Press the new project, okay? So, which one do you want to edit? Like for example, this one, I'm going to edit it. So, I'm going to upload a 2 video. Okay, like that. Then, we're here. So, after that, kaysa, what do we call this one? Sa Reels, kung mag-upload ka sa Reels, naam na siya required na format. So, adto ta sa ratio. This one, ratio. So, ang format niya is 9:16. So, we're gonna press that one, then okay. So, look at that. So, di ba wala siya na kuan, wala siya na nasud sa kani siya diri ari wa siya masud. So, ato ni siya i-stretch using our 2 fingers like that. Okay? So, diha, i-drag lang nimo diha. Asa basta masuod lang siya. Okay? Then, after that, pwede nimo iyan diha. Mag-irog-irog. Kaya duha man ka video akong gihimo diha. Ako pa na isudog balik diha. Okay? Yun, ana lang siya kasayon, guys. Ana, then, di ko gusto makita ang CapCut sa pag-edit nako. So, i-delete nako na siya. Press, delete. Okay? Something like that. Okay? Pwede sa ka mag-voice over diri mag-voice over, mag-add audio ka, this one. Add audio, then mag-record ka. Gusto kong mag-record. Nasa'y sounds, nasa'y effect, nasa'y move extract ka, o music, ang imong copy from outside if you like. Yan na lang kasimple. Then, if you want to save it na dayon diri Okay? So, for me, dili pa sana ako siya i-save kay ako pa na siyang igat-igatan. Oh guys, by the way, you can install this application in the Play Store. By the way, in the Play Store, then you can search there CapCut. Okay, this one, CapCut. You can install that one, or no, this one. Because since I'm installing the app, so nanay butang diha installed. Okay, use this app. Easy lang siya gamiton, very convenient, and basta dali ra siya katunon, I swear. So, that's it lang guys, and hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from this short tutorial on how to use CapCut. Thank you so much, and have a nice day everyone. Bye.